Hey everyone out there, this is Brian.
And Mark.
We're coming at you live from our First Team Real Estate High Desert office, and we've been open for a little bit over a month, and we're super excited because we have an open house coming. When?
This Sunday from 10:30 to 1:30.
And it's at 15962 Malahat Road, pool home with a waterfall. Absolutely amazing to see in person.
Yeah, 5 bedrooms, private road. There's only 7 houses on that street. It's perfect.
2 baths, and then also it has outdoor barbecue, so it's ready for the summer.
Yeah.
Also, it has a city park right behind it that you're able to walk to.
You can walk to St. Mary's if you wanted to.
Well, hopefully you don't have to do that for emergencies. But
hey, if you have to, you can limp over there.
Absolutely great home in Upper Desert Knolls. Come down and check us out. If you haven't seen the inside of it yet, we have a video playing right now.
See you Sunday.